Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In this video, what we're going to do is we are going to compare eufy genie with echodot. So we are comparing two competitive devices, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, let's start. Okay, guys. So these are the two devices. One is the echodot over here. One is the eufy genie. Both are Amazon devices which operate on Alexa. So now I just turned it off. So we are going to compare how these devices work. So first we will connect the eufy genie's power on, and then we will connect the Alexa's power on. We will just see the starting mode, how it works in both of them. So it's almost the same. They have the same ring coming around. They do have about four different buttons over here with function, and also echodot was made first, and this is just a clone of that. To be said, both of them work with Alexa, so that's the only thing. So let it just finish its startup. Hello. Now this was Yuffie saying that. Okay, so let me just switch off the Bluetooth to which it's connected. So now let's see what are the responses I get out of these two. In this you have a complete speaker over here, all around 360 degrees. You can connect a speaker in the back end side, and the power cable is here. In this also you do have a speaker where you can connect a speaker over here for extension, but there is speak the normal speakers are here, and this kind of a plasticky body, as you can hear it. This one is a rubberized body, so it's a premium model. Okay, now I'll tell about the cost also. First of all, this one I got in an offer. At the moment it's for 1999 Eufy Genie, and but I got it for 1299. That was the offer. And this one, the normal price is 3700 or 3600. I got it in an offer for just 2400, and if I paid 300 rupees extra, I got the smart bulb of Philips also. So I took that combo offer and I bought it up. So now let's test these two devices. So let's try some normal voice commands and see. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 3:05 p.m.
Okay, the Yuffie gave an answer. So let me just check if the Alexa is still the Echo Dot is still connected to the Bluetooth.
By Sidhu Moosewala on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop music. Okay. Okay, now let's go ahead and see which one answers first. So we would go ahead and check whether Eco also answers over here.
Sorry, I couldn't connect through.
Okay, we are just disconnected the Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and start. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 3:06 p.m.
Okay, this one is answering. So let me just restart this. Maybe there would be some issue over here. Just give me a minute. Because the Bluetooth was disconnected in between. So I want to see the actual comparison, how these two work. Sorry to be such a big tech geek, but I do need to see the actual comparison over here. What is the difference between 1,900 device and 3,700? The original prices. I do need to know that. Which one can pick up the sound better? Let's just think. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 3:07 p.m.
Okay, Eufy is responding faster. So let me just try on this. I'll just take off the power from Eufy. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 3:07 p.m.
Okay, now I understood what's the problem. The problem is that my Eufy Genie is my first device which is registered on the app. So that's why it's responding faster. So now let's go ahead and check some other things. Alexa, say hi to Eufy.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Okay, it is fun to play with it. Uh, Alexa, turn on the bed lamp.
Sure. What do you want to turn on?
The bed lamp.
Hello. Okay.
Okay, these are just the normal commands which you can use, but I don't see much difference over here because I'm sitting in a close range. Maybe that's the problem because echodot has an advantage over here because even the far range can be picked up over here because of the four different mics. Here you have only two different over here. So let me see some other commands. Alexa, Simon says Kamal.
Kamal.
Okay. It's because like this is the first device which is registered. It's happening. Let me just try to change the registration and make it the second device. And we will just get back after that. Okay, now I've just restarted these two devices after renaming them. So let's check them out. They are starting now. Alexa,
Hello.
Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 3:42 p.m.
Alexa, what is the weather like?
In Bomanahalli, it's 31 degrees Celsius with sun and haze. Today's forecast is more of the same, with a high of 32 degrees and a low of 15 degrees.
Okay, so what we can come to know about this is even after renaming these devices, this device has a very good mic and range than this. I wonder how. It's half the price. So let's disconnect this device and then try asking in our echodot. So Eufy is better in that option. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 3:43 p.m.
Alexa, increase the volume. Alexa, what is the time?
It's 3:43 p.m.
Alexa, increase the volume. Alexa, what is the time?
It's 3:44 p.m.
Okay. So now I have increased the volume. So let's start this again. It would take a minute's time. So let's see about that. Even then, if Eufy works better, I have to give it props for the voice recognition. Even though echodot says it has a very good. Okay, it's on. I have increased the volume to the core. Even in this, I'll increase the volume to the core, and then we will see.
Hello.
Alexa, what is the time?
It's 3:45 p.m.
Alexa, what is the time? Alexa, what is the time? Okay, now both are stunned because of the volume. Alexa, what is the time?
It's 3:45 p.m.
Okay, so the comparison has come properly because now we have increased the volume to the full in both. So even both are picking up the volume clearly now and they are answering. But the wide range means from one room to another room, this will be reachable. But this has a problem with the signal from one room to another room. After trying for a month or two, I have come to know this. So this is a detailed comparison. It's a plastic Chinese model. This one, it is Indian made, but anyhow, we can say that only about this. But this one is a solid speaker. So for long life and everything, this one is better with fiber body, and this one is just a plastic body. But then too, both are very good devices, and they can be linked together also, and you can combine them together for your home use. So even that is possible. So let's go ahead and close this comparison then and there. So as we all saw, it is a funny comparison because both of them are working nice in a close range. So in a farther range, maybe echodot would be better because of the voice expansion system which is present in it. So if you did like this video, please do like and subscribe for many more videos coming like this. Until unless uh, we meet next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog and you do have a wonderful day ahead.